Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I will explain you the subtraction of fractions. Here our first example is 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Now let's subtract it. If the denominators are same, there's not a big issue. Just minus the numerators like no more. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So it will be 3 by 9. And also, the denominators won't be minus. So let's go to our second example. So our second example is 7 by 9 minus 5 by 12. The denominators are not same, so that's an issue. So let's take the LCM of these two numbers to make them equal. And I'm going to use the division method of LCM. If you want to get more understand of the division method of LCM, you can check my previous video which I explained the division method of LCM. So let's take out the LCM while using the division method. Now we will divide it. 3, this will be 3 and 4. Again with 3, 1, 4. Now with 2, this will be 1 and this will be 2. Now 2 here. So now multiply these. 3 multiply 3, which will be 9. 9 multiply 2, which will be 18. 18 multiply 2, which will be 36. So the 36 is the LCM of these. And we will multiply the number which we have multiplied in the denominator and multiply that number in the numerator. To make 36, we have to multiply 4. 9 multiply 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. 4. And we will multiply 4 in the numerator because we have multiplied the 4 in the denominator. And to make 12 36, we have to multiply 3 because 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36. And also, we did in 7 by 9, we have to multiply the number which we have multiplied in the denominator and multiply that number in the numerator. We have multiplied 3 in the denominator, now we have to multiply 3 in the numerator. So now if we multiply it, it will be 28 by 36 minus 15 by 36. Now, this subtracted like normal because the denominators are same. Same. Minus 28 minus 15 equals to 13. So the answer will be 13 by 36. And don't forget to see our next channel, Bob with the Vibes, which is coming soon. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.